Ain't got no background music today. Man, once I get Ninja Trader up, pass my email and that type of stuff, I'm gonna open the screen so you can see me download the data. Fresh off of work, I got off 11:30. Straight to the charts. I didn't even eat yet. I don't usually eat before I get in the markets anyway, so this is a kind of a great simulated environment. I'm gonna download some data. I'm gonna be taking notes just like I would take notes on a regular day. I don't know what data, what days I'm gonna download yet. Probably like the week before Christmas. Yeah, I'm gonna do the week before Christmas. December 16th through the 20th. Alright, yeah, I'm fresh off work, man. Sorry about that fan on the computer. I know it's loud. But yeah, we about to download this data for bonds. Ooh, not 1224. Yeah, 325 contract. Let's go back to December, the week before Christmas, the 16th. Download that. 17th, download that. Now I gotta do the 15th too, because the market opens that day. So the 15th, did I download? I had to download again just to be careful. 16, 17, 18, download that. 19, get that one. Yeah, it was a light day at work, man. All I could think about was getting back to here to practice. That's all I could think about. And it's the first thing in regards to trading I did today other than look at a chart earlier. Yeah, with it being a new year, new month, I'm about to just clear everything off this chart, so when I come Monday it'll be fresh. This is my main chart that I trade on. Trade on the 5 minute, and I switch through these other time frames. I might keep these levels on here. But as far as my main chart, I'm gonna have it clear. If I need those other levels, I'll bring them back. Now I want to start from scratch, and clear. Get too cluttered once you got too many lines on there. I just erased all these lines in that. One of them is gone. Okay. Alright, man, let's push play. I had to push the 13th. Nope, got the 16th through the 20. Reload. It's hard me too. In the AM. Yawning. I don't know yet if we trade in Monday. We're gonna look and see. So this is the 60 minute? Almost 60 minute. Alright, 5 minute chart. It started. 60 minutes. These are the 3 I'm using. As a matter of fact, I'm gonna clear all these. Yeah, they're strong levels, but it's cool to start fresh. I find these levels again, or stronger. I'm gonna keep the daily the same though. Alright, as far as the 4, I didn't push play. I swear I did. Let's go to the 5. Switch through, make sure they all got the same 116.09. Why this one ain't load? Oh, it's 12 a.m. 6 p.m. is when it will change. So I'm just fast forward to it to 6 p.m. Pause it. We're still in the AM. Sheesh. Ain't no way. Alright. PM. Your data is starting to pop up. 5. 5, 2. Alright, we got action. What's going on with this chart, man? There we go. Something like that. It wasn't matching up. Alright, so I'm pretty much, I wouldn't be charting or anything. Got no 6 p.m. on a Sunday night. So I'm fast forwarded to the day. Like I said, I'm gonna fast forward to earlier this session around like 7 a.m. I get to 7 a.m. Then I'm gonna slow back down to regular speed. Get my journal up. Look at the news. This is cool. Looking at the price action too, though. While we was in the downtrend, looks like they was coming back up. This is 60-minute. 4 hour, looking like a bear flag, but maybe not. That's what it looked like on the 5, looked like straight consolidation. Ooh, 7:30. All right. That's about the right time. So 7:30 is when I'm around there sitting down anyway. So we got 7:30 regular speed. Get my journal. Knock out. So backtesting 12:15, or let's say 12:16 through 12:20, 2024. The news. Oh snap! The news 8:30. We got Empire State Manufacturing Index at 9:45. We got Flash Manufacturing. That's more like, and Flash Services. So that's like more impactful. Something we gotta watch out for. Alright, let's just read about the Empire State Manufacturing Index. The source is the Federal Reserve Bank of New York. It measures the level of diffusion index based on surveyed manufacturers in New York State. The usual effect, or actual greater than forecast, is good for currency. And it's released monthly around the middle of the current month. Next release, January 15th. Above 0 indicates improving conditions. Below indicates worsening conditions. As we see, it was above 0, but it was less than forecast, way less than forecasted. Why traders care? It's a leading indicator of economic health. Businesses react quickly to market conditions, and changes in their sentiment can be an early signal of future economic activity, such as spending, hiring, and investment. So, derived from a survey about 200 manufacturers in New York State, which asked respondents to rate the relative level of general business conditions. New York Manufacturing Index. So, the Flash Manufacturing is the level of diffusion index based on surveyed purchasing managers in the manufacturing industry. So the source is S&P Global. So I'm thinking this right here, which comes in at 9:45, will have a way bigger impact on stocks. But it should move like the bonds too. But the actual greater than forecast is good for currency. Around here it was less. It's released monthly around 3 weeks into the current month. The next one is January 24th. Above 50 indicates expansion. Below indicates contraction. We were below 50. There were 2 versions of this report. It's Flash and Final. This is Flash. It's a leading indicator of economic health. Businesses react quickly. It's pretty much the same thing. Survey of 800 purchasing managers. I'm assuming Flash Services the same. I'm just assuming, but it was better than forecasted. Actual grade better. Release 3 months. 50 indicates expansion. It was above 50. Below indicates contraction. There's 2 versions released a week apart, Flash and Final. The first was reported in 2013. Is the earliest and thus tends to have the most impact. So the Flash release has the most impact. It's a leading indicator of economic health. Businesses react quickly to market conditions, and their purchasing managers hold perhaps the most current and relevant insight into the company's view of the economy. Survey of about 400 purchasing managers, and they rate the level of business conditions, including employment, production, new orders, prices, supplier deliveries, and inventories. Alright, so around 9:45, I don't want to be in the market at all. Be out. Alright, after that, now I'm about to start marking up my chart, looking at my levels. first things first, I want to identify the trend, if there is one. I'm going to go to my 4 hour. The overall trend is a downtrend, but the most recent trend looks like it's like climbing up. Like I said, I thought it was a flag, a bear flag. But we steady, like, looks like we got a nice little uptrend for the 4 hour. As far as like the time frame in which we would be in, like, because I know the overall it's a downtrend, bro. But this is like a swing 4 hours. This would be me swinging for days, weeks. I'm not swinging, I'm day trading. This is just to give me some insight on, like I said, the trends and the levels. 4 hour, we got an uptrend. 60 minutes, we got an uptrend. We got a higher low, a higher high. We upping it again. This could be just like a pullback on this downtrend. We'll see. Let's look at this 5 minute chart. Whoa, it's dark. And I got a glare from these lights. I'm looking at this 5 minute. It looks like it's consolidating. I'm gonna say it's sideways right now. It could say it's uptrend, but it's more like choppy than anything. Let's see, I'm about to just mark this open. Pardon me, I'm gonna keep sniffing and stuff. It's cold outside. Alright, let's see if we can find some supply, some demand. Let's get rid of this right here because we don't need it. Let's move this down just so we can see the time. 7:32. Alright, so price pretty much came from, like, it just came down and filled this gap. Where's my bar? That bar. Not really. No, really. No, really. No. If anything, I don't see any clear demand zones. You're about to see me with a whole, I'm about to clog my nose up with tissue. If this right nostril keep running. Where did we come from? Let's just say we came from 116.04. Alright, the destination. Like I say, 116.29 as far as me sitting here for a 116.29 move. Alright. There's some support and resistance. Here we come. Alright, let's go on our 4 hour. We going Just to clear, this is definitely our first one. Stay in draw mode. And this here. What do I want to do? This here, or this here. I want to go here. Anything above, we can go here or here. Would really be the strongest one out of those. Let's see if this is 117 or not. What that look like back here? Oh yeah, looks like it could be. 11 or 12. Yep, we'll do 12. Alright, let's change all these orange. Oh snap. Oh, I didn't. I'm gonna change them all orange, and then I'm gonna take them to my 60-minute chart. I'll copy and paste into my 60-minute. Alright, now we're on 60. We're going to look for our own levels. This being... I didn't even write down ones for the 4. I'm going to start from the bottom and work my way to the top. 15, 25. 16, 12. And 17, 5. I'm sure I could have found some like in between in there, like maybe 116, 25, 24 area. So 117, 12. Alright, let's go back to our 60. It's 732. I never started it back up. I'm tripping. I was saying, why is it still 732? But, yeah, that's why, buddy. You never push play. But alright, yeah, I'm definitely Patron. That's I like this here on 1613. On 1613. This is 12 for the 4 hour. I'm gonna do that too for the for the 60-minute, and I'm working it in this because this is my break. It's one of my breaks. Now let's do the horizontal. This is our support, resistance, resistance, resistance. Walk around right there. That's enough. Alright, so starting from the bottom, we got 116.07. And 116.12. 116.16. Maybe I could have did 116.15. 116.15. 116.30. and 117.08. Alright, so we're gonna turn these blue ones white. 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 Apply. Alright. So now we got some levels to copy and paste, start from the bottom to our 5-minute chart. This is what I do every day. I ain't finding no more Brix. That's crazy. I got one brick, so that green line you see there is really the only place I'm waiting for price to react to. Any other level is just like bonus confirmation. But I want price to react to this 116.12. When it comes to my 5-minute supports, definitely this 116.12. Some resistance above. Should support at 116.17. Start from the bottom. Start from the bottom. Now we here. Yeah, if it breaks below this 116.12 and closes, then we might have some shorts. But really, man, it's really not too clear of a day. Like, stuff like this makes me wonder if this would be a day that I would trade. Would I trade this day? And if I did, what would I be doing? Maybe scalping, not looking for nothing too long. On 16.12. 116.17. 116.20. Like, they all close. Got one more. 116.25. We opened at 16.09. Asia. Alright, so horizontal line. What is this? This where we open. So this was the low, Asia low, Asia's high. It was 116.15. 116.15. And 116.09. Common market in the region. 15 here. Oh man. I'm gonna try to grab this region. Let me see. Orange outline. Disappear. This is my Asia session high low. Remove. The low. Same Asia low. 116.09. Yeah, I'm really looking for a long here. I don't see it coming back here, but this will be the low. Anything under this line. Dang, I ain't trading this day, you know. Open. Brix, I got one brick. 116.12. The other confluences. What we got are Asia low and overnight low are the same. And opening price. Those three are all the same prices, or Asia low, or overnight low, or opening price. That's really all I have, but just looking at this chart. Now what I like to do is copy and paste it to our volume chart. You know, like this dude, all I do is copy and paste. Let's see what this is looking like. I think we can get another touch at 116.12.
Order submitted.
But at the same time, I don't want to be in this trade around 9:45, and that's what I'm gonna do now. I'm gonna mark my vertical line. I had news at 8:30, which I'm not too worried about, but this 9:45. We got time for that to pop up, but I just want to be reminded, like, oh, bro, at 9:45, I shouldn't be in market. Hopefully we could be done by then anyway, but we're going to mark the 8:30 news just because it's relevant. But I don't think it'll have much impact on the price. Our New York open is about 10 minutes from that, or about 20 minutes from now. We got our levels pretty much marked up. I'm about to zoom back up on this top chart to see if I can find any gaps or just anything that could really, like, we got some gaps down here. We got some here. Let's see if we can find some up here. No, it went through this one. Between 112 and 130. Nope. Between 109 and 11. It could be one, but I can't really see if there's a wick or not. I don't think there's a wick, so I'm gonna draw one. And then to 11. We can make Target, chartreuse, opacity. And we came down to 14. Let's respect this hourly. So our hourly level right here out with 15. We wanted to close above this for the hour, for real, for real. I'm about to fast forward and see what we got. Not fast forward, but I'm gonna speed up time a little bit. Let's see what we working with. That's 6 seconds. I'll do 30-second increments. It's a 5-minute chart. Maybe 14 might be the lowest. I don't think it might come back down lower. But the way it's consolidating at the price it's at now, we needed to close above this white line for the hour, which is now, which it did. Yeah, we might not be coming back down to 12. 14 was a low. So we're gonna break this on 16.12. Like the move started, so I can't like get in now because I'll be getting in mid move. So it's pretty much me just waiting now. Market about to open. New York session about to open. Alright, so 116.20. 116.20 was on 5-minute resistance. Where do we open that? I don't think we opened that at 116. We opened that. We opened that 116.19. $116.19. I don't even think I would want to get into a buy order if the price comes down to 116.12. No, because that would be a lower low. Under 14. We got 9 o'clock. Okay. So break. We came back to 14 again. Was this our last chance to get in this trade before it takes off? Or are we being really patient? And letting it come back to 116.12.
Order filled.
Alright, we in. Here with just another this gap. Just filling that gap. I want to get another high. Alright, 116.12. I pause this so I can write down my trade. $16.12. My target, my stop, my fill, Alright, my target is the highs, it's 116.21. My stop is 116.07. That's lower than the low today. That's 116.07. Let's go add back to see what time we got filled in. 9:19 a.m. Alright. Let's zoom in. Let's push play. We got one contract. Alright, let's see. Are we gonna come back and retouch the high today, or are we gonna make a lower low? This is when I wasn't supposed to be in the market, 9:45, so I just want to see what happens.
Stop filled.
Yeah, without. Ooh, that thing went down. Made new lows. Pause it and see what time it stopped me out. I'd have been out. Like 9:45. Yeah, that news that ain't no joke, and this is a bear flag. It appears to be. So let's see if we can get some more downward action right here at this 116.07.
Order submitted.
So I already made a new low for the day. This is no longer valid.
Order filled.
Yep, that's no longer valid either.
Stop filled.
Now, I've noticed these flags don't be hitting on here how they be hitting in stocks. Now we rate back up. If I make a new high for the day, it'll be hot. But this is on the level. Watching what price do here. Just respecting it. So this is where I was really supposed to get into the short. Because now it's going to go back and make a lower low. Once I make this lower low, I'm going to end it. I'm going to call it for the night. Low, up, higher. Might be making it higher. It was just a large orders and I broke 360. And my end probably don't want to go lower. We got a higher low on this chart. They finally came and made the lower low at 11. I would have been out of the market by then, back here. Yeah, I'd have been out of the market back here, but yeah, man, that's how you fine tune the playbook, man. Watch how price react. It was an uptrend. It was really an overall downtrend, which I should have went with the overall, but like I went with the most recent trend, and that's what I seen kind of hurt me. I got into a buy order when I got into my buy 919, I got stopped out on the news candle, which I wouldn't trade the news. I need to practice how I play because I really ain't going to be in doing no news candles. I know that I blew accounts due to the news. I blew funded accounts due to news candles. So yeah, man. Yeah, it's been another good session. I'll be back at it again tomorrow. Like I said, I know what I did wrong as far as me holding through the news. The direction, like it was overall. Like, let's go to the time frames. It's an overall downtrend, and it was looking like it was up. So I could have just played it like it was a pullback. Maybe did like a fib or something like that from here, and it came but to this level up here, 38. So maybe just pay attention more to the trends. I might even add the fib into my my strategy, but yeah, just pay more attention to the trends. Like I said, it was a strong downtrend, so there's no reason why I should have just thought like, all right, this current trend is up. What if I would even tried to short within the time frame which I was in the market between 7 and 10, or between 7 and 11 is going up. So if I'm shorting here, then I'm getting stopped out automatically. It didn't turn around until around the 10, 11 o'clock. So it's just like the day like today, like I said, even looking at it, it wasn't really clear. So I probably would have wanted to just sat on the sideline or not even traded on a day like today. But like I said, it's a good session. I'm gonna be back at it again tomorrow. I'm doing this all weekend. Thanks for tuning in. If you liked it, hit the like, subscribe, and catch you next time.